This is the information about our new product FLUX Sporty 261 and 361. Check out the video. FLUX New Sporty 261 and 361 is an upgrade series speaker which has become a favorite series for FLUX lovers. FLUX Sporty 261 and 361 provides improved sound reproduction that is more balanced, detailed, accurate, and more efficient to obtain optimal sound without the need for a powerful amplifier. Both of this speaker, FLUX 261 and 361, come with midwoofer measures 6.5 inches with a cone made of paper cone, and the tweeter component is a soft dome measuring 25 mm. It is also suitable for those who want to upgrade the factory standard audio with a good price to performance.
For more information, contact our admin.
Visit ASC Malaysia for more info.